Okay, now that our information is in the Excel spreadsheet, what I want to do is change the employee name so that the last name appears first with a comma and then the first name appearing last. So to do that, I'm going to select cell A1, press and hold the Control key and the Shift key, press the right arrow and then the down arrow to select all the data, and then press Control T to create a table from this data. It says my table has headers. I'm going to press OK. Now that our information is in a table, we can go to the Data tab and select from Table Range. And this is going to send our information into Power Query. So let's go to the Add Column tab in Power Query. And there's an option here that says Column from Examples. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to choose From Selection. And this is where I can change some of the data that's in our table. So I'm going to type in Johnson and we said we want the last name, so Johnson, comma, Alice. And then if I go to the next row, let's do Davis, comma, Bob. You'll see that it's smart enough to fill out the rest. So I'm going to call this column first, oh, actually last and first, and press OK. So now we have created our column here. Let's go to the Home tab and press Close and Load. So you see it added our column here. I'm going to simply copy this last column and put it in column A1 just to replace this information. So now our employee name column has last name, comma, first name. I don't need this column anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it.